Hello, hi, namaste, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Neha and I create makeup, beauty and lifestyle videos. So in today's video, I have created this makeup look which looks so pretty. So if you want to know how I created this pretty look, then keep on watching. Hello, let's start with skincare, and for that I will be using my Mamaearth serum. So I'll just warm up the product between my hands and apply it all over my face, especially on my under eyes because they are freaking dry. Now I'll be using the Nutriderm moisturizer, which I have been loving lately. So yeah, this is the moisturizer which I use before I do my makeup because it just applies and sets on my face amazingly, which I totally love. So skincare is very important before you do your makeup, because if you do proper skincare, then your makeup will sit very well on your skin. Now I'm taking a small break. I'm drinking black coffee because that has become my new favorite. Starting with the primer, I am using the the base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer, and you guys can see the difference right there. Now I'll be using a color corrector today in the shade of orange, and it's from the brand called Nykaa. Now recently I have been using this color corrector in order to even out my skin. Now for the concealer, I am using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Caramel, and I am just blending it inside my skin with the help of the beauty blender which I recently got. Now moving towards the second step, that's the foundation. Here I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 228 Soft Tan, and using the same beauty blender I am blending my foundation with the concealer so that they look seamless and my skin looks flawless. Now the Maybelline foundation kind of oxidizes, so in order to brighten up my face, I am using the Maybelline concealer in the shade 25 medium. I am applying this foundation on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, inner corners, outer corners, my chin, on my cheeks, in order to brighten up the highest points of my face. Now using the same beauty blender, I am just blending in my concealer with my foundation in order to achieve that flawless and seamless base. Now it's time to do some baking, and for that I'll be using the Sugar Cosmetics All Set to Go banana powder. Now taking a dry beauty blender, I'm just picking up the product and applying it on my under eyes, and the rest of the product I'm just dusting it all over my face so that my makeup just sets in and does not move. Now it's time for some contouring, and for that I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Contour and Blush Palette in the shade 02 Vivid Victory. I'll just take a little amount and just apply it on my cheekbones, and taking another brush I'm just applying it on my nose so that I can get that chiseled and contoured nose. Now for the blush, I'm using the same palette and just blending in the product so that there are no harsh lines on my face. Now using another brush, I'm just dusting off the excess powder on my face, and then using this makeup fixer from the brand Swiss Beauty, which is my ultimate favorite because this is so pocket friendly and so good. Now using this spoolie, I'm just combing up my eyebrows in order to give them a shape, and then using this eyebrow pencil which I got from a local market for rupees 20, but it does its work, so yeah. And again with the help of the spoolie, I'm just evening out my eyebrows. As for the eyeshadow palette, I'll be using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde, which is my ultimate favorite because the pigmentation of this eyeshadow palette is, oh my god, it's bomb.com. So yeah, I'm just taking off the first shade, that is the shade Crash, and just applying it on my crease and just creating a crease over my eyes. Now taking a steeper brush, I am just picking up the Off Balance shade from the palette and then depositing it on the outer corners of my eyes, and using another brush I am just blending the product with the crease shade so that it gives that dark outer corner kind effect. Now it's shimmer time, and for that I'm using the Cosmic shade from the same palette, and using a brush I'm applying it halfway through the inner corners, and taking a brush I'm just trying to blend the product so that there are no harsh lines whatsoever. Now taking a pointed brush, I'm just using the same Off Balance shade to underline my lower lash line. Now taking a sponge brush, I'm just trying to highlight my inner corners, and I just did a mistake over there, but it's okay. Now in order to make my eyes look a little bigger, I'm using the white kajal from the brand Wet n Wild and just applying it on my waterline. Taking the Lakme's liquid eyeliner, I'm just making a half-winged liner, and then taking Maybelline's kajal, I'm just tightlining my lash line so that it just comes into one. Now I have been using and loving this mascara a lot. This is the Too Faced It Better Than Sex mascara, and you can already see the difference after I apply the mascara. It looks so good and so amazing that I just love this look. For the highlighter, I'm using this Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline in the shade Rose Gold. Now this highlighter looks very good on my skin tone, so I'll be using this on the high points of my face like my cheekbone, the brow bone, the bridge of my nose tips, and some on my cupid's bow. Since I'm using a liquid lipstick today, I'll be prepping up my lips with a good amount of Vaseline, and for the lipstick, I'm going for the Nikake True Matte Lipstick in the shade Turquoise Rose. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, do not forget to like, comment and share this video to as many people as you can, because you know it would mean a lot to me. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit on that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. I'm also super active on Instagram. You can follow me there. I will leave my Instagram handle right here on the screen. So I'll see you guys soon with another interesting video. Till then, take care, stay safe, lots of love.